So, hello and welcome to another Repair Odyssey. Today we have something a little bit different. A Peugeot key. It's already open. No big deal. No glue, nothing, just stick together. And a screw. We have a broken button here, missing one. One is for opening, one for locking the door, the doors. And let's have a closer look. So as you can see here, this one is how it should be. And there we have only the half of the button is left, so we're going to take it off and solder a new one. That's it. Good. Okay. Let's get things going. So let's grab the right button. We need a 2-pin. It's probably too low. No. This one is a bit different, but should be okay. Well, with just a flat surface here, shouldn't be a problem. Focus. Doesn't matter which proportions the button has, so I'm gonna take this nice little white one. Okay, do I need a microscope? Probably in this case not, but I'll give you a look under the microscope. Oops. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. First we're gonna add some flux. Solder flux. Then we're going to desolder this bottom. Okay, wait. I'm gonna take my little PCB holder. It's gonna make things a little bit easier. Okay, solder iron. Take a thin tweezers. Just grab under there and lift it up. Same thing on the other side. This board is so small that if we can, we do it without hot air. Don't want to heat the board up. We don't have to. So a little bit of soldering. some nice shiny spots. New one. Just hold it down in position. Gonna add enough. I want more flux. Yeah, that's it. I cannot test the key, but well, that should do. Okay, I saw that it didn't take out the battery. Shouldn't be an issue. We have only touched 2 spots without anything else. I'm gonna make it a little bit hot. Clean it a little bit. With alcohol, isopropanol. Where is it? Here it is. I'm just making it a little bit hot. 140 degrees, just so we can clean it a little bit more easy. Nothing is going to melt here. Okay. It's enough of the mic. No, that's not the right one. Well, that's it. This is how it looks now. Focus. Yeah. Not 100% straight, but we have the same height. We can measure it, but should be okay. Let's measure it. we have 2.2 millimeters. Two point five, 2.2 and 2.5 should be okay. Let's try. We're a little bit in the air, I don't know. First test the battery. Just I'm interested in what it looks like. Okay, I can test it while it's in there. Just to see if the battery is okay. 3.0 volts. Let's build this together. It's gonna be easy. I think we can manage this. So, you know, it was already open, so that's why I have to think a couple of seconds how this really belongs. Okay. Hear that click? The clicking, so we have the right height, which is good. Screw. Easy. Well, that's an easy fix. Probably the shortest video I ever made. Well, that's it. That's just a simple button replacement on a Peugeot key. Don't ask me the model number of the car, I don't know it. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.